guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturally Ads on YouTube. So in today's video I am here with a haul. This is a PR haul. I can't speak. This is a PR haul for Bella Planella. Before I start, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So yes, some of you may or may not know, if you follow me on Instagram, that January 2021 I joined Bella Planella's PR team, which I was so excited for. She's a UK shop that does kits, she does custom scripts, she does foiled scripts, she does lots of like foil underlays that are really unique and different. And I remember the first time I saw her was when she was posting her spreads on her Facebook page, and I was just intrigued by all of the underlays that she got, that I just searched her up and found that she had a shop, which I was excited about. But yeah, anyway, so super excited to be on her PR team. So this is my PR haul. So I did use my own money to purchase these things. I just got a bit of a discount. But if you've watched any of my other hauls, you will know that I've ordered from her a bunch, especially her custom scripts. So here we go. So this is a January journaling card. It's obviously a Frozen inspired journaling card. This is the Kitnish Girl Dress Art. That was like the winter kit, and she put for Frozen add-ons. And it's a nice quality one. So this is the thing I'm excited for. This is zooming so you can see this. So of course, as being part of being her PR team, I got myself, well, I created a freebie with her. So if you use my code ADIATU15, I'll put it on the screen, you'll get 15% off of her shop, and you'll get this freebie. So let's explain my freebie a little bit. So if you know me, my channel is called Naturallyads because it started off as a hair channel, because the things that I love are natural hair stuff and planners. So I basically told her that, and she found she got a fashion girl with a nice afro, smiling, and loads of planner supplies, which was perfect for me. And then these are the icons that I chose. So I tried to choose icons that were functional and that everyone could use. So this one says buy more stickers, meal prep, payday, YouTube, wash hair, and happy mail. So yeah, this is my freebie. This is how I was smiling when I got this order. So I think this is really cute and it's amazing. But yeah, and then there are other PR girls, so I'll show you theirs. This is Gemma's freebie. So of course, if you prefer any of these freebies, then obviously use their name and a 15, but obviously I'm going to tell you to use mine. But if this freebie, like if you like this fashion box or these icons would be more useful for you, then obviously get the freebie that is better for you. This is Caitlin's freebie, and this is Monique's freebie. I love these Ugg boots. So yeah, those are the freebies. And now, if you want to focus again, camera. For my order, it was a bit of a chunky one because I've got a lot of the custom scripts. So let's go through them. So the first one that came right on time, because I just ran out of them, is Plan With Me Binge. She has a lot more font options, so I had some of the same scripts in different fonts and different colours, and I also asked her to make the script smaller, which I did in the notes, and you guys can also do that. So this one is Plan With Me Binge. I don't know the font numbers, but the images are on the website. So Plan With Me Binge. I got those in black because I use them too much for a foil colour. Plan With Me Binge again. And then another Plan With Me Binge in 3 different fonts in black. Then I got Sabrina for the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. So this is one font, and it is in a silver foil, rose gold in a different font. Like this is like more cursive, and then another one in black. So I really only use rose gold and silver, and sometimes hollowed, but I'll either use black scripts for that or silver, so I didn't see point of getting hollow. And I got pool stickers, which is a repurchase, but I bought more fonts, so pool stickers. And I got these smaller than the first time. This one is in black. I think this one is in black too. Yes. I think I accidentally got 2 in black. Oh well. And then this one is in silver. Then I got Girlfriends for the TV show because I'm currently binging it with my husband and I needed some scripts to mark it because I was tired of writing it like every day. Even though one was finished, but who cares? Knowing me, I'll re-binge it. So this is a nice cursive font in black. Sorry if you can hear that animal outside. I wouldn't be able to tell you what it is because I actually do not know. This one is in silver, in that same font. I guess I like that font. And then this one is in rose gold. Then I got PR Post. I got 2 in black. And this, I really like this font and it's so dainty. So I need to remember what font this was and get some more scripts in this one. I think it's the cursive one, but it just looks really cute and they're just so small. I got Mum's House. I think I only got one of these in black. And then Gilmore Girls, because I watch these like all the time and I thought I already had the scripts for them, but I just had the character stickers but not scripts. I got these all in the same font for some reason. But yeah, you've got, like, it looks cute so it's fine. You got them in a black, a rose gold. Her rose gold is coppery, and a silver. And then I got these like arrows because I wanted to try them out because I see the Planner Pixie Co using them and I wanted to try them out, so I got them in just black. So I got them in the white matte paper and then in the clear paper. Also the scripts, you can get them on white paper if you prefer, but I like clear scripts. So yeah, I got these just in black. I didn't get them in foil in case I didn't like them yet, or I didn't use them as much. Then I also got these like social media icons, so I got the YouTube ones all on white paper, and I got them in silver, rose gold and black. Then I got the Instagram ones, in silver, rose gold and black. And then I got wrong order. I've got the taking the pictures, or English adiatu. I've got taking pictures one for like if I take pictures of my planner or film in silver, rose gold and black. So I like that there's like a big variety. I don't remember if these were available in clear. If they were, oh well. I think they were and I chose white, I don't know, if I'm honest. And then the Facebook ones in rose gold, silver and black. So that was a big stack, but we are not yet finished. So this is a big stack. My mum taught me to clean up as I go, so that's what I'm doing. I'll leave this here, just to make me happy. Okay, then I got this sheet. I think it's the Happy Mail or Buy Stickers sampler. I don't recall what it's called, but it says buy planner supplies, buy more stickers, Happy Mail, and then it repeats itself. I of course got the brown skin tone. So yeah, I get a lot of use out of that one. I then got like the social media sheet that has Instagram, YouTube, which is on my freebie, Facebook, Twitter, and then a assortment. I don't really use Twitter or mark Twitter, but you know, it was part of the sheet. Then I got the Plan With Me sheet. I remember that this was called that, with like a planner stack, and it just says plan, and then some of them don't have it for when I'm planning or marking Plan With Me binges, because I usually use planners rather than using YouTube signs all the time because I watch Plan With Me's like every day. And then I got this, I think her character is called Tegan, or the brown skin character, and I got the weather one just to mark weather because this is basically all I'll need from this sheet for the UK, because we don't really have sun. Not really. Okay, and then I got, I got one full kit and then another, then the other kit I got like a la carte sheets just because it's for my B6, so I didn't need as much. So I got this La New. Can't speak. No. Yo. Yeah, and I just really liked this kit and this aesthetic. I had from this artist, I had the blush kit already, and I got like the nude edit version, so this was a black edit. It was kind of like monochrome, planning, and just great vibes, so I needed to get it. So this is the 4 boxes I chose. You can choose like the girl in Bella Planella shop, and I of course chose the girl that look like me. So here are some like fashion stuff. There's a living room double box scene, a planner, some planner inception going on in there, and then more planning, writing, and then there's a calendar in here, and this girl, she has curly hair, which I love because I have curly hair. And then we have a vanity in the double box. So this is called the essential kit, not the essential, the deluxe kit. We've got weekly checkbox, habit trackers, work labels, builders, some functional icons, and the weekend banner. The page that I never use, the 4-box checklist, which I just always like save up and de-stash at the end of the year, which I still have to do for 2020, but you know, life happens, so I might do that after I move, but I have everything ready. And then this box with all the boxes, love this page, some checklists, and then loads of box options. We've got glittered appointment labels, fancy labels, half boxes, third boxes, and quarter boxes, and some more fancy labels. Oh. And then we got beautiful, I didn't actually see this page, I like this bottom washi. We got some bottom washi, so there's 3 options. There's a thick one, a thinner one, and then like a glitter strip, some date covers, some date dots, and some hearts. And then we got the deco sheet, which is included in the deluxe. You know me, I love my deco. Then this glitter header sheet, and then we've got the like, what are they called, header sheet, I guess. I use a few of these, but yeah, that was the Le Nouveau kit. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. Okay, next it's the love potion or love spell, and I didn't get the whole kit, I just got some boxes and stuff. So I got the 4-box page. Once again, chose the skin tone of this girl. This is for my B6 planner in February, because I can like make this spread out for 2 weeks, because I use 4 boxes each day. And there's 2, 4, 6, 8, so it's perfect. So that's that. Then I of course got the boxes page so that I can use the boxes, and I really love these colours. If I had space in February, I would have got the full kit for my memory planner, but I buy my kits a little bit in advance, and I bought all my February kits in Black Friday sales. Then this bottom washi, I really love this heart bottom washi. There are hints of gold, but if you know me, I'm not using gold in this kit. This kit is full rose gold. And we've got the bottom washi, the 3 strips, and then the headers, and the dots, and the hearts. And then I also got the glitter headers. Okay, so that was my order from Bella Planella. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Be sure to check out her shop. It will be linked down below, and use my code, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!